Here are 2 sets of bundles, and I want you guys to tell me which texture you guys think is raw Indian curly hair. In this hand I hold one texture, and in this hand I hold another texture, so these two are not the same texture. Again, which texture do you guys think is raw Indian curly hair? Now I do also want to note that neither of these bundles have been washed in probably over a month. They've just been sitting around in my room. Okay? If you said this texture was curly, then you are correct. This texture is wavy hair. And if you guys are shopping on my website, this is known as texture 3 and this is known as texture 2. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about raw Indian curly hair. Here's a video that I think a lot of you guys are familiar with. As a matter of fact, I think this is where majority of my texture 3 customers are coming from. You guys see the curls are pretty defined. To get this texture, I did co-wash the hair with Treseme's Moisture Rich Conditioner. I did also go in with a John Frieda Frizz Ease leave-in conditioner, and I did also add some Garnier Fructis anti-frizz serum, and I allowed the hair to air dry. I did not touch the hair while it was air drying, and this is the product that I got. But I want to show you guys what the hair looked like before I installed it. So in this clip, you guys can see that the hair appears to be wavy, and this is common whenever it comes to texture 3. I think a lot of people expect the bundles upon appearance or upon reception to have a very tight and defined curl like the curls you guys saw in the first video, when in actuality, this is what you can expect your bundles to look like before you've installed them. So I'm going to show you guys another clip of this hair. It's the same hair that was shown in clip 1 and 2. The hair is just in a different state, okay? So in this clip, I am wearing the exact same bundles that I showed you guys in clip 1 and clip 2. Notice the hair does appear wavy. I recorded this video shortly after waking up, and I did brush out the hair before recording this video. So this is what that hair looks like when brushed out. This right here is exactly why I changed the name of the texture to texture 3. I felt like calling this hair curly was super misleading, although this is actually what Indian curly hair looks like. I think the best way to think about Indian hair in general is to think about hair types, okay? And I do have a 3-part series video that goes in depth about the different hair types, but whenever it comes to Indian curly hair specifically, I like to think of the hair types 2C to 3A and sometimes 3B, okay? That is what you can expect whenever you are purchasing texture 3, formerly known as raw Indian curly hair. Now I'm going to show you guys another set of curly bundles. I think these bundles are in the lengths 24 inches, 3 bundles of 24 inches. Here are these bundles once installed by my customer. They're the exact same bundles. You guys notice how they are more defined once installed. Now this customer did send me one more photo, and this is how her hair looked when she was on the beach. Notice how although it is the same hair, it looks different in each photo. It's important to remember that raw hair is true human hair, and it's going to behave as such. Think about the hair on your head, okay? If you use a particular product today and use a different product tomorrow, you could see different results. Whenever it comes to raw hair, be mindful of the products that you are using, because that is going to determine the look that you get, all right? The products that you use, as well as the way you allow your hair to dry, will have an effect on the appearance of your hair. So just be mindful of the products that you're using and pay close attention to the outcomes that each product has given you so that you can know how you actually like to style your hair. I wanted to show you guys one more clip. In this video, I have 3 bundles of JHA's texture 3. You can see on one side, this is what the hair looks like before it is washed, and on the other side, you can see that this is what the hair looks like once it is washed. When dealing with texture 3, you will not see the true texture until the hair has been washed and installed. Now our money back guarantee does require that the zip ties are still intact to receive 100% of your money back. However, you can still wash your hair and keep it in its zip ties. So if you wash your hair and still have reason to believe that you did not receive 100% true raw Indian hair, you can definitely return your hair for 100% of your money back. I hope this video was helpful, and I'm going to continue to make videos like this so that you guys are educated before you go in to make your purchase, okay? I do not want to deceive anybody. I do not want to sell dreams, and I really want to make sure that you guys have a company that you can trust. If you were interested in learning more about raw hair and never getting scammed by another hair company again, go ahead and click the link down below in the description box. When you click on that link, you'll be prompted to enter in your email, and there you can browse our products, view our pricing, and become more familiar with the brand. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.